Hi there my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. On arriving home today, it looked like the postman had been, well actually FedEx. And from the contact details I realised that this package has arrived from Derwent. In August last year I was invited to become an official Derwent ambassador, and I eagerly accepted and received lots of nice goodies from them, and it's been quite an exhilarating ride so far. But this was a surprise, so I thought I will share the unboxing with you all and see what we have in here. So I've scribbled out my address, no one needs to know that. Let's get the package open. Oh, exciting. Okay, let's have a look. Ooh, this looks nice. Oh, very nice. Move that out of the way. So let's have a read. A little personalised note on here from Derwent. Kerry, happy Inktense launch. Enjoy using your pencils and 28 new shades. We would love to see you unpack your Inktense gift. Please share, and it's the Derwent official website. Best wishes, Derwent. Wow, that's really nice, isn't it? Wow. Well, at least we know what's in here now. Inktense pencils. So they've recently launched in the past week or so a new box of 100. So let's take a look inside. So nice little ribbon. Lovely. Someone's been busy packaging these up. Slide that ribbon off. We won't waste that. It'll be used for something. Not sure what yet. And let's take a look inside. So I do already have Inktense, the Derwent Inktense pencils, blocks and pans. Up until a couple of weeks ago, the Derwent pencils and the Derwent blocks were available in sets up to the size of 72. That was their full range. And there was also 29 Inktense pans available, all open stock, meaning you can buy a single pencil, a single block, a single pan. And for those of you who don't know what Derwent Inktense is, it's actually water soluble ink. It has many properties that are like watercolour. Obviously it's water soluble. You can do many things with the Derwent Inktense that you can do with watercolour, traditional watercolour and watercolour pencils. Oh wow, that looks nice. But it is permanent when it's dry. So like ink, it is permanent. So once it's on your paper or board or whatever ground you'd like to use it on, Inktense dries permanently, which is great. But you've just got to keep it in mind that it's not easily liftable, but glazing techniques and things like that work wonderfully. I've done quite a few works with the Derwent Inktense up to now, quite a few projects, paintings, and there are a couple on my YouTube channel if you'd like to take a look. And also I will include in this video some stills of work that I have created already. So let's take a look into the new 100 set. So as I was saying, these are available open stock. So if you want to give them a try, you can buy just one or two, or just a handful. Little notelet, sorry, I'm so excited. Doesn't take much. Child in a sweet shop comes to mind. Telling you all about Inktense. You can buy the Inktense paper now as well. Derwent has sent me some Inktense paper. I haven't used it yet, but I will be doing so. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Take the cellophane off. Oh, they're just wonderful products, and it is a company that cares an awful lot about the artists that work with their products, and I really do admire that. They always want to know the pros and cons of their materials. They love getting feedback. It's just a truly wonderful company to work with. So these are currently, the Derwent Inktense pencils are currently running at around £2.50 per pencil when bought open stock. The sets, I haven't actually had a look but I think this set, this 100 set, because it's just been launched, is around £250 on their website. But that's only £2.50 a pence, and obviously you don't need all of them. Just get a handful if you just want to give them a try. When working with a dry medium, I always swatch them out because the dry mediums can look very different to when they're wet. And when you add water to Inktense, the vibrancy of the pigments really comes to life. So if you do have any, I do suggest making a swatch. And all that is you just get a piece of paper. This is the 72 colours that I already have. Add a little bit of pigment, dry pigment at the top, add some water, and you get a rough idea how opaque it is by letting it go over a solid black line, and you really get a feel for what colours you're picking up. The worst thing would be to pick up a colour and you think it's one colour and it turns out to be something quite different. 730 that one is, so this one is this one. So there's I don't know if you can see that, there's a little bit of difference in the colour of the capped end to the actual pigment when it's wet. But you soon get used to your colours, so I will be adding to this, and I'll add the extra 28 colours at the bottom there. So you can use them on materials because they're inks and they're permanent when they're dry. So in this layer, the second layer, we've got going all the way through the greens and the blues and into some lilacs again here. And some of these look really dark, so I'm really looking forward to swatching those out. And then in the bottom layer, we have a spring green just there, and then going through the more earthy tones right the way through to greenish greys. What's that one there? Let's have a look at, let's see what that one is. Little dark one sitting there. Charcoal grey, and 3 greys, warm greys, cool greys, black, white, and that is the outliner, which is also water soluble. So there you have it. That's my unboxing from Derwent. As I said, I do have videos on my YouTube channel where I've used the Inktense already to create paintings. I'll share some stills if I haven't shared them already, and I look forward to getting to work with all of these as soon as possible. So until next time folks, stay safe, stay creative. I'm going to go and grab a coffee now, as if I don't need any more caffeine. And like and subscribe, that would be great, and I will see you all really soon. Take care and bye for now. Bye.